is a Lagos bridge which we made a video about a few months back during when we were installing the hand guard or handrail at his court. But what really happened at this bridge, they all of a sudden they stopped. If you go to Idumota CMS area, you notice that the bridge there, they are already doing grading. This asphalt that has fallen off, that has caused potholes on the bridge, they are smoothing them out and pouring new asphalt on those bridges. But that was what we thought they were doing on this particular one. After the hand guard were all installed, all of a sudden they stopped. Could it be that this project has been abandoned this way, or could it be that they are coming back after the new year to do the construction? Nevertheless, it's been months since they did a hand guard installation, and after that they have stopped the construction and the development. I'll still show you there are parts where they didn't even install the hand guard, and there are still parts where after the installation they did remove the equipment which they use in holding them so they don't fall off. Don't worry, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel because I'll be showing you all of that on today's video. My name is Emmanuel Bernard, and let's take a drone view of the area. If you take a look, you see these are the hand guard that were installed. These were the hand guard, and this part too. They installed and they stopped right here. They didn't install it again. You see, they created the hole which they were supposed to put the hand guard, but they didn't put any hand guard again. So this is the hand guard. They did it for a couple of meters and they stopped again. Now, talking about the road, the asphalt grading that was supposed to be done on this road, let me show you what I'm talking about. If you take a look, you will see these are where the bridges come together. These are where they join all the bridges. But since this place is falling off, is breaking apart, they are not doing anything. This is just one of them. I'll show you a couple more that you see that are more dangerous than this one. So this is how it's looking. These bridges are very bad. Every day you see people cleaning the bridge, but that's the only thing good about this bridge. They clean it every day. There are lawma people who sweep this bridge every day, and that is why this bridge is looking neat. Now I want to cross and show you something else. Now when you come to this area, you see these are the wood they use in installing this hand guard, and after the installation they left it there like that, and they have gone. I don't know if they are coming back to continue the construction or not. These ones are already falling off, as you can see. So this is dangerous. If they are actually coming back to continue the construction, they better do as fast as possible because people are walking under the bridge. There are vehicles passing under the bridge. If nothing is being done, these things are likely going to fall off and eventually hit someone on the head. This is some of the new casted one. As you can see, this part of the bridge is gone. So all these parts need rehabilitation as soon as possible to avoid accidents or any further injuries. For the few minutes I've been sitting on this bridge, whenever a big vehicle, a heavy duty vehicle pass, this bridge tends to shake. I don't know why. I don't know if this bridge can't support the weight anymore, but it's shaking. Like when they, those containers, when they pass, the bridge vibrates, it shakes like up and down. I feel it every time. I was thinking maybe it's my mind, maybe because I'm afraid of heights. But this is not about height anymore. The bridge is actually shaking. So I don't even know if it's strong enough to support the new handguard that they are installing now, because this bridge has been built over 2-3 decades or even 4 decades ago. So this bridge, they need real rehabilitation on this bridge, and not just installing things that the bridge can't carry. Bridge. The bridge is totally bad, like very bad. Now these are the kind of vehicles I talk about. Now these vehicles are passing and the bridge is shaking. I don't know if it's normal, but those trucks that passed, the bridge was shaking. I don't know what's making the bridge to shake, like. But when those yellow buses pass, it doesn't. When regular cars pass, it doesn't. But as long as it's those trucks, the bridge starts to shake like